Howdy guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at how to hide or display your Swatch tables. Before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a reminder for those that are new, this is a mini series on working with colors and different swatch tables, or different ways to navigate them and so forth. Now, if you have followed along, you'll probably kind of already know how to do what we're about to show. But in today's video, I'm just going to show the different ways to do it. So there's multiple ways. And what we're going to be showing is obviously, like I just mentioned in the intro, hiding and displaying swatch tables, which is this little color palette here. Now, the most simple way we can do this is just here on our standard toolbar. If we navigate next to this magnifying glass with a paint drop, you'll see we've got a little swatch icon there, or swatch table icon. So if you click that, you can see at the bottom it just hid all our swatches. Click it again and it comes back. Now you can also do this under your main menu on top. If we go to view, and then you can go down till you see the swatch table icon over here. So then you do the same thing, click that, it will disappear, go view, and you put it back. Now keep in mind this will work no matter where this thing is docked. So if we have it docked on top here and we use that button, it will do the same thing wherever there's swatch tables, so we'll hide all of them. Or if we perhaps have this thing floating somewhere, then you can also do the same thing, which is it's quite convenient. But yeah, that is it on hiding and displaying swatch tables. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice that we have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search here on the top right. But if you for some reason do not find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video just under the search bar, and then fill in the mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.